Okay, so this planter is too cute. Too cute. I love being out in the garden. I love working in the yard. I love birds. This kind of puts it all together as one. So this is a ceramic planter, and it's of little rain boots. So you can see almost like the little detail on the side of the boot. It has a little bird sitting on the toe. You can use this indoors or outdoors. You can put artificial flowers in it. You can put real flowers in it if you just want to use it as a vase. You can plant things in it. I mean, would this be the cutest little herb planter ever? A little basil, a little oregano, a little mint, whatever comes to mind. So you can use it however you want to use it, or you can just set it inside and use it as part of your decor. If you want to put some flowers in it, super easy. There you go. Ready to go. So the cutest little boots ever. They're 7 inches tall. They're done in ceramic. They're indoors or outdoors, but I would definitely want to put them where you can see them and enjoy them because they make me smile every time I look at them.